Howdy folks, Luke Simons with you, back to the Basics 101. Got a buddy here at a branding. I've met him before, but he's going to show me something that I've seen that you may have, but it'll revolutionize something like that. Well, of course it is a Chevy, so to revolutionize something like that it would have to be a Ford, but the point is, check this out. He's going to show us, you're going to love it.
Right here. It's got a little hook on it. Then if you have a box that did slide up there, you can pull it back, grab it. So,
Oh yeah, totally, just like a calf catcher then.
right.
So you just whack, I mean you can, that's a short box there, right?
Right.
So yeah, easily. And so then,
And then you put it back in there, and it's adjustable. You know, but you can, I don't know. I move it up here when I'm taking a propane tank into town
Yeah.
to get it filled up and
oh that is,
whatever. If you buy something at Menards and you don't want it
Right.
up front, you just put it back here.
right.
And then on the side here, I just storage. You know.
Yeah, absolutely. Trailer hitch,
It's just here.
not banging around.
You know, I put everything in a bag just to keep the dust out of it. But
Yep.
the guy could just throw stuff in the side there.
Absolutely. Absolutely. What a neat concept. And then I just love the idea of the grabber, because otherwise you have to unroll this 100 million times a day. Wow. Is that ever cool? What a simple idea. And you just took, oh yeah, just look at that. Just one screw
Yeah,
in
and
there.
then there's a screw right here,
Right there.
and then over on this side too. But yeah, a guy can build brackets or whatever. I mean, this is that kind of
Easy stuff.
yeah.
And if you're using it for kind of like an SUV type thing. And then earlier today we just took from branding, we had a cooler back here, and then that cooler was just sitting right here. So this acts as a stay. It doesn't, nothing can, you have this sitting here, it's gonna stay somewhat right there without going all the way to the front.
And then if it does, just grab this,
Absolutely.
push it up there.
That is the slickest thing ever. What a neat invention. And we're talking about just a couple, I mean, that's just diamond plate aluminum, folks. Just a little, you would even take that, yeah, you could even bend that over if you wanted to and just screw it right in like that. What year is this anyways?
This truck.
Yeah,
This is a 2014.
that's awesome.
But yeah, a buddy of mine out of Fargo, he sells kind of all kinds of accessories, and we made some venison sausage, and he goes, "Hey, I got something for you." He gave these to me, so this is the second vehicle I've had them in, second pickup.
That is really,
I had them in my 05, and then I put it in this one, so I've had it for a while.
that is really, really neat. And what do you use for a pipe here? I mean, that's just an old like almost like a,
This came with it, you know.
Right.
Like I could use any kind of.
yeah, any kind of pipe at all there, really.
But here's the.
What? How did you get this to stick in there?
Well, I think it's a bolt with a
Oh, just a wedge.
rubber stopper
Yep.
thing in there.
Yep.
It,
To kind of stop
Yeah.
it. Wouldn't take much of a cowboy to figure that out. And then you put a little handle on the back.
and then he tightens this down. It needs tightening now.
Sure.
It's like an Allen wrench in there.
It just tightens itself up on a rubber piece. But you could do anything like that. And I mean, we're just talking real light duty, old fit.
Well, you could even use a broom handle, you know.
Oh, easily.
Or
Easily.
something like that if you got an extra one laying around the.
Oh, this is just the
shop.
slickest, coolest idea. I mean, you guys see what we're doing here? That's sick. And then this here, I mean, you're seldom ever opening that up unless it's hired.
Right, unless I need the room to put something bigger in there, you know.
That is too cool. I love seeing little ideas like this. That is really, really slick. And we're talking about something that's not even commercially having to be bought. Sweet. That is cool. Beautiful North Dakota day. Oh, some chemtrails. That means we might get some rain. She's dry out here, folks.
Kiddos up on the hill with their horses.
Jim Lohman, my adopted grandpa over there, and he's always famous for them yellow horses. Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you do, make sure to give us a thumbs up. And pretty simple concept, but that's what the show is all about. Oh boy, I'll tell you what, you guys want to see something really cool? I'll show you something Grandpa Loman made. Check that out. He made that. Completely made it. And Grandpa Loman's adopted my family. Seen that? Completely. 641. Pretty cool. Telling you. Pretty cool stuff. Until next time, this is Luke Simons. Lord guide and keep you. Happy trails.